Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. But before we begin, I would like for you to like, comment, and subscribe. Right now, as you can see, we're here in this room. It's a master bedroom. It's kind of small, but it's nice. And our color schemes are white, gray, and navy. Okay? And like I said, we want to keep it light and airy. Since it's small, we don't want it to compact with a whole lot of colors and your eyes are going everywhere. So again, just sit back and enjoy. Thank you. Okay. So what we're about to do now, we're about to hang the curtains, and I wanted to hang white so the room can look light and bright, okay? We're about to hang the curtains now. We put the curtains up, but we left some shields because we don't want to have it too dark. Let's see. Yeah, I love these lamps. I showed you the table. These lamps are so gorgeous. And look, it has the wood grain. If I can show it to you, let's see. Let's see, can I do it? See the wood grain in the sofa table? And then look at the wood grain around there. So I kind of like the table. And you see the gold in the legs? Oh my God, I'm just in love. Here, they're a desk. They're from India. But I think because of the size that I like in the space, it feels it real good. So we're gonna put that here. And the nightstands, I really like them because they have these plugs in the back where you can plug in your lamp or plug in your cell phone. You won't have to reach. It has this outlet. And what all you have to do is take this, the nightstand, and plug it in the wall. And guess what? That right there will ignite everything. It gives it its juice. Okay. And I bought 2 of these, okay guys? I got 2 for each side. I got this, you see the grain in the table? Isn't that beautiful? And I got the lamps, because it has the wood grain and lamps also around here with the brass. And again, like I told you before, you don't have to find an outlet. You can plug the lamp right in the back of the table. All right, and you got to worry about a whole lot of colors showing as well. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to let me help your best look even better.